Alright, day 6. Um, it has been one full week since I've started this. Well, yeah, it's been a week. It's only day 6 because I didn't trade. I don't trade Mondays, so it's been 1 week since I started this, and not the worst, but not the best so far. But we have a lot of time ahead of us to um, get to where we want to be at. So I'm not worried about that small stepping stone that occurred. Um, you know, it's normal. But let's get into day 6. First and foremost, did I follow my rules? Yes. Day 6 results. I took one trade, and that trade was a win. Lessons I learned today was that I am capable of controlling myself, as proven today. I will explain later how I did. It's just, oh my God, it's just a matter of executing each and every day. Um, Good things come when I follow my rules. So let me show you the trade that I took. It was actually, I could just show you in the charts. Matter of fact, I'm already here. Just scroll down a little bit. But I took this short right here using this fair value gap. The sell side I had marked out was let me show you, was this low right here. Well, it's let me show you. It looks cleaner on not the micros. As you can see, we have like, yeah, we have the relative equal lows, and then on here prior to 10 a.m. Let me show you. We actually made, like, we hit the low right on it, so I was very confident on that. But let me explain how I controlled myself. So as you can see, markets opened right here at 9:30, right? So we have 1 and 2, and 3. I'll count this one too. So at market open, I already have this target in mind, right? But as you guys know, the past 2 days, price ended up hitting my target prior to 10 a.m. and that caused me to have some. Well, I'm not blaming the markets, but that caused me to get feel emotional towards the markets and taking it out on the markets. But that's just a matter of lack of self-control by me. So, but yeah, as you guys know, the past 2 days, market decided to take out my price TP or target before my entry time. So today, if I'm being honest, I was feeling that same impulse. Just wanting to get in. I could have got in here. I was watching price. I was like, oh, this would be a good entry. And then it dropped down, and then we had created this fair value gap along with this balanced price range, because you see the back and forth, so that's balanced. So I was like, okay, this would be a really good entry right here as well. But I ended up not doing it. Why? Because I learned from my mistakes. In the past 2 days, I have, or not the past, yesterday I took entry before 10 a.m. and it ended up being a loss. So I waited. I just waited until my rule said so, and then yeah, it was very, for me, like my personal experience, it's very painful seeing price go in your direction, but you're not a part of it. Maybe it has to do with FOMO. There's definitely FOMO, but also like greed, wanting to be a part of every move, especially since I think it is very likely to go down there. So it's like, why wouldn't I want to be in it? But rule number one in the markets is time. Everything revolves around time. So, um, yeah, I could like just while watching price, I could just feel it like inside of me. Like, I hope someone will understand what I'm talking about, but it's just like this feeling inside where it's like price is just gonna run down there and I'm not gonna be a part of it, and it's kind of like angering in a way, um, because it feels like you're missing out. So I guess it is just FOMO, really. But I think the main fact that has to be at the front of your mind is that these things repeat every single day. So you're not really missing anything. Yeah, you're missing the move that's right in front of you, but you're not considering the thousands and hundreds of thousands of moves that will be in the future. So yeah, I didn't trade. I waited, and then entered on this one. This for Megat that I highlighted earlier. That one. I thought it was really good, really highly probable setup. Um, we had this Cibi with this order block, breaker, and inversion. So that's a unicorn right there. As well as equal lows on sell side. And then I'll show you how I did this. So I had my entry right here, and then I put my stop loss above the consequent encroachment of the order block. I mean, not consequent, sorry, the mean threshold, and targeted this low. I mean, the targeted like a 1 to 2. Not a 1 to 2. I just targeted low, but that's basically a 1 to 2. But yeah, pretty quick trade. 2 minute trade. But I'm just showing you because this is where my stop loss was, and that's where my TP was. So that's pretty much it for the trade aspect. But what else? Yeah, I was just explaining what I was feeling. Coming out of these past 2 days being pretty rough, and then today almost being the same exact thing. It's like 3 days in a row where I did my analysis and I ended up being right, but I was not able to take advantage of it. So that's something I have to get used to. I'm still not used to that yet, but eventually I'll get used to not being a part of every move. Not every move, but not being a part of um, not being in the market I when I can be. I mean, there's always opportunities to make money from the markets. It's always open, moving, but um, just not like say like, oh man, like next week I think we're gonna go right here, and being able to say like, but I'm not gonna participate in the markets. Like I feel like that would be a very hard thing for me to do, and I may do it in the future just to desensitize myself from trying to catch every move. But yeah, that's just something I was feeling. Let's get back to up here. Oops. So this is my status as of now. The sim funded that I have is back up to 49 200, and the max drawdown is 48. So I got back a little bit out of drawdown. The eval is at 4880 or 48,800. It's also the same thing. Max drawdown is 48. So also got that out of drawdown a little bit. I'm pretty sure each account, I made like 500 each on that trade because I was risking 250. So and a 1 to 2, so I made like 500 each. But so I ended up getting the static account, and that's at that Oh wait, hold on. All right, I'm back. So yeah, each account I made like 500 each because I just copy traded the same trade to all of them. I mean, I didn't copy trade, but I executed the same trade on all of them. So 30k static, I ended up getting that, and that's at 35. So um, I think oh yeah, I mean I don't think, but the past the 30k static, I need 32.1. So that should be pretty easy to get within next few weeks. And then take profit trader, that eval is back up to 49.8. Keep in mind that all of these were deeper in drawdown, just like they were in because of the past 2 days. So now I'm back recovering, almost back to break even. Yeah, so yeah, 49.8. Top step eval is at 49.8. This one, not mag. The max drawdown is 49.2 because of the account being in profit in the future, and I mean not in the past, and the trailing drawdown with all future prop firms. So that's kind of a bummer, but yeah. I made a little bit less on the top side. I think I made like 400 because I decreased the risk because I didn't want to lose the account. So but we're slowly climbing back. Oh, excuse me. Trade day eval is at 150.4. So pretty much it for today. Um, how do I feel? I feel amazing. I don't know if it's because I won, or I don't know if it's because I just followed my rules, took one trade, kept it simple. I'm not like still in the markets trying to bring back my my intraday drawdown like I drawdown, because that is just very mentally draining. But yeah, today I feel a lot better, and I'm gonna go to the gym and enjoy the rest of my day. But I think that's it for today. I don't really have much else to talk about. But like I said, from the lessons learned, trading is all about flawlessly executing your plan, and as long as I can do that, I think that I can go pretty far in this. So, let's hope I keep it up. Um, Today was easy, I took one trade, it was a win. The real challenge comes when that first trade is a loss. So, until that day comes, um, we will see how it goes. So, I will see you guys Friday. So, I don't know if I'll post a video on the weekend. Probably not, maybe. But if not, then I will see you guys on next Tuesday, because I do not trade Mondays. So, see you guys next Tuesday. Until then, be safe. Oops.